Okay, this is a quick room tour of room 1742 at the InterContinental Grand Stanford in Hong Kong. Well, actually, Tsim Sha Tsui to be precise. So we walk through the main entrance and we come to the bathroom on the left-hand side. It's got a stand-up shower there with lots of different toiletries. Then over here we've got the toilet and the sink area. Again, really nice solid marble sink there. Vanity mirror, more toiletries here, plenty of towels down there. And on the right hand side when you walk in, you've got the wardrobe. So we've got an iron and an ironing board. Wow, an emergency torch. I've never seen one of those in a hotel before. Shoe horn and a clothes brush. Robes. In here we've got some laundry bags. This one we've got a couple of pairs of slippers. Oh, there's the shoe horn. And a shoe polishing mitt. Nothing in that one. Plenty of coat hangers. Some extra bedding if it gets a bit too cold, but that's not going to happen because we're in Hong Kong and it's sweltering hot in here. Then in here we've got the minibar area, starting off with the tea and coffee making facilities. Got a fridge stocked with soft drinks, beers and some wine. Mugs and cups there, wine glasses there, some more wine and some spirits there. Because I'm in a club room, I don't know if that's complimentary as well or if I need to pay for it. I better check before I start sipping some of it. Over here in this unit here, we have got the safe. Don't think there's anything else in here. No. So let's have a look at the main bedroom now. So this is the club king room with a harbour view. So we've got a king bed here, got some water there, oh no, it's a speaker. Imagine it's a Bluetooth speaker for your phone, some tissues. Then over here we've got a large screen TV on the wall, some more units along there. We've got a desk area here. We've got the bedside cabinet here with a clock, phone, notepad, remote control, etc. And this is the main reason for me booking this room. Just look at that view. It's absolutely stunning. So that's Victoria Harbour in front of me there. And tonight it's going to be lit up and look absolutely amazing. So I'm right on the waterfront here, just a road between us and the water. So you can't get a more perfect view than that of Hong Kong. I'm so happy with this room. It's really good. They even provide plug adapters for people who don't have free prong plugs. That's handy for people coming here from America and Europe, I guess. Telephone, desk area, but just look at that room. Really happy, really happy. And the main point is that amazing view.